I'm Anais from the ini2kidz Productions.
And I'm Adonis from the We Don't Cry, We Try series.
And so he just joined our word club today. So he's going to say one of the words from our word club.
The word was parsimonious, and this is how you spell it. Parsimonious.
And do you know the meaning of that?
Yes. It's a person that is very frugal.
And what does frugal mean?
It means the person that wants to save all their money.
Well, I thought of a word for me to use inside the word club too. And that is ambiguous. And that means something hard to easy to clearly. So make sure you like and subscribe.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.